Hello friends, hope you're doing good. Today we're going to see how to translate the words from one language to another using the pre-built formula in Google Sheet, which is Google Translate. Here is the sample demo of what we are going to achieve in this video. See, I have typed the how are you and we are getting a language, we're getting the output in similar languages. We can also choose to another language whichever we want. Before that, if you still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Translate formula requires 3 parameters, whereas 2 are optional and 1 is mandatory. First parameter is the text, which is nothing but the word you are trying to convert to another language. The second one is the source language, which you need to specify the language you have selected, which is completely optional, but it is recommended to specify it. Here we are converting from English word where we need to specify en, and the last param is the target language, which you need to specify the language you are converting to another language. In this case, I have typed HI, which stands for Hindi. Let's get into formula in action. Okay, so this is our template where I've just formatted like words and the languages mentioned here, and I'm going to type how are you. Okay, if I want to convert this word into another language, that is Tamil here, so for Tamil the parameter, the name of the parameter will be the TA. Okay, so what I'm going to type is equal to Google Translate. Okay, text, select the text, then the source language, which is default by en, make it as small letters, comma, then the target language. The target language will be TA or HI for Hindi. Okay, let's go for the Tamil now. TA, close bracket, and then enter. Now we'll be getting a meaning in Tamil. நீங்கள் எப்படி இருக்கிறீர்கள்? Okay, so let's drag it to other languages here. Okay, but if you drag it, then the cell reference will be lost, right? So we need to make it a dynamic one. Okay, so first remove this target language cell reference and select the C3. Okay, now we got it, but even still you need to make the reference formula constant. So if we copy this formula to here, this will not come because the target language, the source language will be different from here. So we need to make the formula constant. Okay, now what we have to do is, so this word should be constant. Okay, then what we need to do is make the B column is constant. Okay, and make the row is the constant here. Okay, then copy and paste here. Now this will target this. Okay, TE for Telugu. Now drag like this. Okay, HI is HI for Hindi and ML for Malayalam. Okay, like Spanish is ES. Okay, so this is for Japanese. Okay, now yeah, you can also choose variety of languages here. Okay, see, what I have done is I'm just getting the data from the VLOOKUP, from the data here, and then I will be getting a list of is for Estonian I'll be getting the data for the name from the VLOOKUP. Okay, so I will be getting the word here. If you check this one, Estonian. If you want to learn the VLOOKUP, paste the description also, so you can check it out my video. Okay, this is how we can do it. And yeah, we can also copy this, but we will be getting an error. Okay, if I delete it, I'll be getting an error, right? So we can also put if condition here. If is error, then what we have to do is true value, make it as blank. If it is else, then false. Okay, now see this, we'll be getting not error. Okay, now if you type it, we getting the formula will be applied. Okay, it's just removing hash value here. Okay, hope you like this video. Please press like button if you like this video, and comment how you did. Thank you.